Welcome on board. FiberOne strives to make sure you enjoy your experience with us. We have carefully planned your installation to run smoothly without a hitch. So, within the next few minutes, let us walk you through what you should expect from us. Please note that our installation timeline is up to 2 to 14 working days, depending on your area. A member of our customer onboarding team will reach out to you to schedule the day of your installation according to your availability. The installation process is divided into 2 different stages. Firstly, we would run indoor and outdoor cabling from our closest service point into your premises, whilst ensuring the indoor device is placed at the right location for optimum service, as advised by our technician. Upon the completion of the cabling process, the indoor device will be installed. Please note that in some cases you may need to procure an additional Wi-Fi router for full coverage of your premises, and if you placed an order for our optional battery unit, this will also be installed as well. Please note that the first stage might last up to 48 hours, depending on your installation circumstances. Secondly, to ensure that we deliver on our promise, our activation team will check to verify if the quality of service meets the required standard. If it does, then the service will be turned on. If it does not, a technician will be assigned to perform a revisit of the installation to readjust the installation to fit the desired quality of service. Now, you are connected to our world-class fiber service brought to you by FiberOne. Once your service is turned on, you will be required to download and install our service app, My FOB app, on Google Play or the iOS app stores, where you can register a complaint and carry out seamless monthly payments. Our customer experience team will also reach out to you after your service has been connected to guide you through your journey with us. Welcome to a new way of life with our world-class service. Please contact us for more information on +234 908 798 1900 or 0700 FiberOne, or visit our website at www.fob.ng.